far we got about 2.5 inch snow, and I guess we're supposed to be getting some more. So everything is white. I guess good to be home and not out there dealing with this weather. But yeah, I guess gotta clean the driveway later. It's just a little long, but I think we got some tools to do that. Right here is my tool, clean this driveway, and at the same time doing my workout.